Hey guys, Apple Gamer, and I'm back with a new Roblox video. My friends in my actual life have been telling me to do a Roblox video, so I thought today it'd be good to just take on the challenge of doing it. And I think it's going to be really fun. And the fact that I'm actually good at Roblox makes it a whole lot better, you know? So I'm back and ready for the games. Apparently the bullets will stop being fired soon. I just hope I can get into a game when it's loaded. So, yeah. Oh, and if you guys like it, at the end, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and score your goal of being a subscriber. Oh, and when you've scored, comment down below. Beatbox boom, I subscribed. So that's beatbox boom, I subscribed. Make sure to do that. Now we're doing lane jumping. I have no idea what it is, but yeah, let's just play along. Pretend we know what it is. I don't. Anyway. Oh, there's Crossy Road! I don't play Crossy Road anymore. I'm not a loser. I think about 100. What? I didn't see any cars. Oh my god, this game is so crap. Or maybe it's the fact that it hasn't loaded in yet. Who cares anyway? This should be great. Let's go outside and have some fun. Running. The winner was Soyel Plays. Good for them. I wish I was that person. I'm not. Loser. And I'm not going to doubt myself because I'm going to win this next game. Oh my god, I love this. I'm going to win it. I just need to slide down the slide like you do. Whee! Now let's try and get there. Nope, I didn't get it. Who's going to be the solo swordsman? I don't want to be it because this doesn't work. Okay, so let's wait to see who it is. Kingen. Kingen. All I gotta do is look out for Kingen. Make sure he doesn't get me. Okay, so Kingen's down there. Kingen's now there. Jump down. I have a tactic with it. Avoid solo swordsman. I'm gonna go in here because no one ever goes here. Poof! I don't think anyone's gonna find me here. So let's just kill, chill, and just have some fun. Nope, he found me. Honestly, I don't care. This is a good position to be in. I'm glad he didn't choose me. Come on, quick. Yes! I thought he got me then. I was like, Kingen has totally got me. But, oh my god, so happy. Yeah. Anyway. Ooh, hard pressed. Oh my god, my absolute least favorite. I actually don't like it, so. But I'm gonna play. I'm not gonna be okay because that's just boring. Anyway, I'm so excited to win. This guy's iconic. Cool. 6. Still 6. Oh my god. Is it gonna move? Who cares? Lost connection.